Microsoft Word knows writing. It's been there for your reports, essays, really anything you can dream up. Everything you love is still here, only smarter. Now with AI in Word, you never write alone. Start fast with a curated Microsoft Word knows writing. It's been there for your reports, essays, really anything you can dream up. Everything you love is still here, only smarter. Now with AI in Word, you never write alone. Start fast with a curated template, then spark ideas with Copilot, and watch your first draft take shape. Polish as you go with Editor, your built-in spelling, grammar, and style coach, to make sure every sentence is clear and easy to read. Then check accessibility, to make sure everyone can read it their way. A word about getting feedback. Turn on track changes to keep all the edits visible. And when you're ready, share and create something new together. Turn ideas into impact with Word.
Create a document for letters, resumes, reports, and more. Open Word and select Blank Document. Or if Word is already open, select File, New, Blank Document. Start typing. To create a document from a template, select File, New. Select a template. Then Edit. You can also search from thousands of professionally designed templates to make your document stand out. Scroll using the side arrows for more choices. Select Create, then Edit.
Here's how to add and edit text in Word. Place the cursor where you want to add the text and start typing. Select the text you want to replace by double-clicking and typing in the text. To select a line, click to the left of it. Here's how to add and edit text in Word. Place the cursor where you want to add the text and start typing. Select the text you want to replace by double-clicking and typing in the text. To select a line, click to the left of it. A formatting menu appears from which you can change the font size, text color, make your text bold, italic, and much more. You can also access the formatting options anytime from the ribbon. To copy formatting, select Format Painter, and then the text you want to apply the same formatting to.
Add and format text to draw attention to important details and information. Let's start by adding text. Place the cursor where you want to add text and start typing. To replace text, like a single word, double-click it, then type what you want in its place. Let's change the format of a whole line. Click to the left of the line to start customizing. You can change the font, font size, and color. Select bold, italic, and underline to further customize the text. To copy the formatting and apply it elsewhere, select Format Painter. Then select the text you want to apply it to. You can also find these options under the Home tab.
Change margins in Word to make your document look how you want. Select Layout, change margins in Word to make your document look how you want. Select Layout, Margins. Choose one of the options. Or choose Custom Margins. Choose the margins you want and select OK. Change the page orientation in your document from portrait to landscape. Select Layout, Orientation. Choose Portrait or Landscape. Need a specific page to be landscape? Select the content that you want on a landscape page. Select Layout, Page Setup. Select Landscape. In the Apply To box, select Selected Text. Select OK. In Word, insert a table into your document. For a basic table, select Insert Table. Choose the number of columns and rows you want. For a larger or customized table, select Insert Table, Insert Table. Choose the number of columns and rows you want. Select how you want AutoFit to work, and select OK. Another option is to draw your table. Select Insert Table, Draw Table. Draw the table you want. Want to add a table design? Select the table, select Table Design, and choose a table style. In Word, insert pictures to help bring your document to life. Select Insert Pictures. Choose one of the options. This device lets you choose a picture from your PC. Stock Images lets you choose from a collection of high-quality images, icons, cutout people, stickers, and illustrations. Online Pictures lets you search for images from the web. Drag a handle to resize the image. Or select Layout options and choose how you want text to wrap around the image. Microsoft 365 subscribers can use and edit hundreds of icons. Choose where you want your icon to be, and then select Insert Icons. 65 subscribers can use and edit hundreds of icons. Choose where you want your icon to be, and then select Insert Icons. Use Search to find icons and select as many as you want. Then select Insert. You can treat icons like any other shape. You can move them around and change how they look. The acorn would look better in green. Let's change the color. First, select the icon, and then select Graphics Format. Now select Graphics Fill. You can also add effects. Select Graphic Effects and choose an option like Shadow, Reflection, Glow, and more. Let's rotate it a little. Select the icon, then select and drag the rotation handle. Now we'll enlarge it just a bit by selecting and dragging the corner handle. One last thing, let's wrap the text around the icon. Right-click the icon and choose Wrap Text, Square.
Add hyperlinks to your document to link websites, documents, and more. To start, copy the address you want to link to, like a website URL. Paste or type it in your document. Word automatically turns it into a hyperlink when you press space or enter. If you want to make specific text a hyperlink, select the text. Select Insert, Link. The most recent link you copied is at the top, followed by Recent Documents. Select one of the options or select Insert Link to customize it. This lets you choose the kind of link you want, like a web page, place in the document, or email address. You can also change the display text for the hyperlink. Paste the address in and select OK. And your text is now a hyperlink. To remove a hyperlink, right-click it and select Remove Hyperlink.
Save a document to your PC or OneDrive so you can access it from anywhere. Select File, Save As, and choose a location, like your OneDrive account. Select Save or choose New Folder. Save. When your file is saved to the cloud in OneDrive or SharePoint, your changes are saved automatically.
In Word, you can preview and specify pages to print. Select File, Print. To preview each page, select the forward and backward arrows at the bottom of the page. Now select the number of copies you want to print, and select a printer. Under Settings, choose other options like printing specific pages and page size. Now just select Print.
When you need to work with other people to co-author a document, the apps you use to do your work need to support this important feature. If you are moving from a work platform that supports this, such as Google Workspace, to Microsoft 365, your new apps will provide you the support you need to continue to do this without missing a beat. Let's take a look. To start, save your document to OneDrive. Next, select Share. Add the names of the people you need to work with you on the document, and then select Send. Or you can select Copy Link and send it however you want, like in an email or chat message. When a person you shared the document with opens it, it will open in Word for the web in a browser. If more than one person is working on the document, you can see presence indicators showing where they are working, and you'll see their changes in real time. Comments are a great way to give feedback and ask your co-authors questions. To add one, select the text, right-click, and select New Comment. Add an @ in the comment to direct someone's attention to a specific point in the document, and even assign them a task. When you do this, the mentioned person will receive an email notification that will take them directly to the comment. When you do this, the mentioned person will receive an email notification that will take them directly to the comment. If you don't want to make edits in the document, but still want to make suggestions, turn on Reviewing mode. Your suggestions will show in a different color, and the owner of the document can accept or reject them. As the creator of the document, when you check back, it is easy to see the changes that were made while you were away. 2 horizontal lines in the left margin show where content has been added, and different color text shows changes and suggestions. Right-click one to accept or reject it, or mark assigned tasks as completed. Do your best work in Microsoft Word with collaboration.